In my opinion, Apple has the best ecosystem out of all of the tech companies. And in this video, I am going to show you several different key features that make this statement true. Let's get started. One of the first key features of the Apple ecosystem that I want to discuss is the seamless connection between AirPods and your Apple devices. I have used AirPods Max and I have to say that it connects seamlessly through my phone, the iPad, the Mac, and I am impressed every day that I can integrate this particular product in my workflows without having to unpair and repair or go through Bluetooth settings. AirPods connectivity is a #1 aspect of the Apple ecosystem, especially if you can get AirPods on sale. I have to say that it is well worth it. Handoff is another key feature of the Apple ecosystem that I use daily. For those of you who do not know, Handoff allows each of your Apple devices to pick up where the other left off. For example, if you are using Safari on your iPhone and you are near your Mac, then your Mac dock is going to show that you can continue browsing the website that's currently on your iPhone to your Mac. And the iPad is also included as well. Almost all of Apple's first-party apps can use this feature. Focus modes are also a key feature in the Apple ecosystem. For those of you who do not know, focus modes allow you to, focus on a particular task, and you can customize, at least on the iPhone and iPad, what apps you will have on your home screen. But the key feature in focus modes is that when you turn on one of these focus modes, all of your connected Apple devices will also turn on that particular focus mode. For example, if you have a study focus where you mute all of your notifications and you turn that on, then your iPad and your Mac will also turn on that study focus and would not bother you with notifications. Overall, this is an underrated feature in the Apple ecosystem. Another underrated feature is Universal Clipboard. So when you copy something on your iPad, you can paste it on your Mac or your iPhone. And it's very helpful. Overall, I really don't have a lot to say about this because the feature is pretty simple. But if you have multiple Apple devices and you haven't used this feature, I suggest giving it a shot. The best Apple ecosystem feature, in my opinion, is iMessage. We all know iMessage. We all love iMessage. We can send texts on our iPads, our watches, Macs, phones, and it's all integrated. It's all in sync. So you are never out of the loop of a conversation. iMessage is pretty good, especially now that RCS has been integrated with iOS 18. Hopefully, Apple will upgrade it to have the end-to-end encrypted version rather than the version it has at the time of recording this video. If you tend to have a circle of friends who use iPhones, then iMessage is definitely one of those Apple ecosystem features that you would definitely use every single day. So let me know what you think. What are some Apple ecosystem features that you believe are the best? Let me know in the comments. I want to thank all of you for watching this video and all of the other videos as well. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care. I got the Sintra yearly pass. However, you can also purchase it monthly. I believe it's $97 a month for all 12. And for each individual, it is about $40, which is pretty expensive considering that you will only be paying for one bot. But if you have the budget, then I will suggest going with all 12. And if there are some that you do not use, you still have it available in case you want to start another business where that AI bot will be useful. Have you used Cintra AI? Let me know what you think. As always, I want to thank all of you for watching the videos. It's really helping me out. I am back. I am going to start posting content more often than I have been over the last month. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care.